It is a great day today. Ito yung matagal na natin pinag-uusapan at pinagpaplanuhan.
From this day, you are now my wife. Magiging officially Mrs. Tungol ka na.
When we first met, we became friends instantly. Pero magkakontra tayo in terms of medical. Ayaw mo sa mga doktor, but hey, karma. Napunta ka sa isang doktor.
I know, time will come, we will think that we are full of each other. But we should always be reminded how we ended up to marry.
What I've been searching for.
Ang matalinong tao ay nagtatayo ng bahay o ng kanyang buhay pamilya sa ibabaw ng bato at hindi ng langit. Kaya pinagpatri siya, yung batong dinutukoy sa Old Testament and the New Testament ay hindi pagmamahalan ng mag-asawa, hindi anak, at hindi pera, kundi ang Diyos.
Right in front of me.
Thank you, thank you.
Ay, wow!
Brian
Thank you.
Showbiz.
Thank you. Susunod ng e-bike. E-bike.
I love you. Surprise, ganda ng box idea, di ba? Box lang yan. Taso for you. But you know me well. I'm not Patricia if this is simple gift. Pull the red ribbon under the real gift. Yung real gift. This is my dad. Wearing his first ever diver's watch that he bought. Sayang hindi kayo nakapang-abot.
Umiyak ka. Feeling ko.
Buti na lang naka-shades.
Kayla, this is my gift to you as a sign of my appreciation and love for you. I love you. I love your looks when you are sharp looking, especially when you are arranging your hair. Sumusunod sa galaw.
Hi! Thank you, Labi. Naiyak ako dahil grabe. Alam mo yung feel ko yung presence ng father mo.
I thank you, Lovey. Meron na akong hindi ka na magagalit, di akong susuklay.
Held up to the
Umiyak na agad doon.
Wala akong masabi. Basta yung pagsasama nyo maging okay lahat pag nahin yung Panginoon sa atin.
Lagi ka sana magpapakabait. Sana lahat ng itinuro ko, matandaan mo para when you're in the other family.
Thank you. Another cry.
Yun lang ay. Promise to you that I will always be your partner, your companion, your shoulder to lean on.
Ipapangako ko sa iyo, mamahalin ka at iintindihin sa mga oras na kabiratan mo.
As we cross paths in our life to conquer the challenges, we will always overcome. Unconditional love you gave me, Labi. Cheers to forever.
I love you with all my heart. I love you.
open heart, another light, another star, right in front of me.
Sabi ko sa'yo, kakanta ako. Konti lang po. O, chukuluguran ka, kaluguran sobra-sobra. Lawin the kaucho, ang ating kapatao. Sabi nga sa kanta, mahal na mahal kita, sobra-sobra, dahil ikaw ang nagmamahal sa akin. Kahanapin kita kahit saan.